going on, everybody? You found the That Detail Guy channel, and this is day 2 of 12 days of giveaways, and I'm hyped because we just got another box full of stuff to give away. Let's go check it out. I don't know what's in here, but boy, is it heavy. Look, listen to this. Shoo, doggy. This one right here is from IGL, but before we get started and I pop this open, I just want to highlight a few things that I forgot last night. Number one, everything on thatdtailshop.com is buy 2, get 1 free. No coupon required. Buy 2, get 1 free. And if you have any pre-existing coupons, then guess what? That promotion is stackable. So any of you guys that still have your Apex band promotions or any of that type of stuff, all you got to do, put the code in there and you'll get that in addition too. Yeah, that's right. We going broke, but that's because we love all y'all. Let's open up this box, and I want to highlight something that is really cool. It says, "Thank you, IGL team." That is really special. Now, I'll be open and honest. Some of the stuff I bought, but this was not one of them. The guys over there at IGL, Mike Carlin, good friend, and he said he wanted to throw in on what we were doing, and from the looks of things, he's done so in a very big way. So, without let's go ahead and open it. So they've got Eco Clean Delete is easily. This is a water spot remover. So we've got another bottle of that. You know, this is getting out of control, y'all. We've got the high foam exterior shampoo. Shoot, I might be keeping that. Y'all know I like snow foam. So far, I really like the presentation. Look how everything is nice and sealed. These are the little things that let you know that they really care about their customers. This right here is their Eco Clean interior detailer. Love that. Looks like we've got 3 bottles of that. Goodness, man. They've got an Eco Wash orange fueled exterior shampoo. So I guess this is going to be like more of an active wash, an exterior shampoo, higher in pH or whatever, citrus. We've got another bottle of the interior cleaner. Love that. All right, cool. And wow, man, I really like the packaging here. So this right here is going to be their drying towel. 1400 GSM. Love that, man. This packaging is really legit. I was looking at something for this for myself for a while, and I'm kind of regretting not getting it. I love that they have they just throw the stickers on there, everything like that. It's real nice, on brand point. I love that. That looks actually really good. Cool. Let's see. We've got another towel in here. No, actually, I don't even know what this is. I'm just gonna open it here in a second. Good Lord, man, they just really hooked it up. I cannot believe this. We got 2 of them kits. I bet, you know what? We're gonna give one of these away. I don't know what it is, but I know it is something fancy. And then I want to show y'all also, these are the type of spray heads they have. These are my favorite spray heads. They're just upgraded, man. They're nice, wide trigger, good to go. All right, so let's open up this and then we'll get to kind of the rest of the stuff. All right, so like I said, no idea what's in here. I think it's some sort of tire shine kit. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. This bag is super nice. Oh. Anyways, let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so they've got a whole thing in here. So it's this is a fabric and leather cleaner. This right here is gonna be a dashboard protection. So it's a nice little travel kit almost, man. This is super nice. This is a tire shine kit. Love that. This is damn near everything you need. I may not have to give anything else away, but you know we're going to. This is a odor remover. Glass. Y'all, this may not leave my wife. This may not leave. This is another thing of the exterior wash. Love that. And then we've even got a nice plush microfiber in there. And then we've got spray heads, mini spray heads. This is crazy. For all of them, right? So, man, the attention to detail, the caring, you know, they're donating this stuff. So you already know they care. They knew that we were going to give back, and they're doing so in a big way. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and leave that out like this, and we will go ahead and include that in tonight's giveaway because, you know, hats off to Mike and the team over there at IGL. Really love that they're here to support. So we'll kind of throw that one there. We're running out of table space, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Alrighty, guys, I think we got what we're going to give away together. But first, I want to definitely highlight something that I think we forgot yesterday. This is an entire kit that we got from BioBombs, and they were gracious enough to send this out. We actually ordered, I think, 12 bars, and he saw that and was like, "Hey, I'm gonna donate towards the 12 days." So Christian and Godfrey over there at BioBombs Super nice guys. They got the stress balls. I love that because they truly care about mental health and really all aspects of detailing. So everybody that does get a 12 days is definitely going to get one of these today. And I think it's really fitting that we're going to get that fresh AF to today's winners in addition to everything. So I love that. And we'll go ahead and throw in a stress ball too, because life is a little stressful sometimes. All right, we're going to keep upping up the ante. All right, folks. So tonight, you already know that we're going to give away the IGL kit. So we went over that and we'll touch on that again. All right, we're also going to be giving away a Bruggs tire shine applicator. I like these, real nice. I love the branding. I did a review on this not too long ago. Good stuff there. We're going to be giving you guys another Pro V1. It's a great foam cannon for those of you who haven't seen one. We'll go ahead and bust that thing out real quick. This is our white label product. This is kind of our first product on the market, just kind of testing the waters. A nice product, good solid unit. You can tell that the Apex was inspired by that. But of course, when you private label something, when you work on something, we took some of the best parts of this one and we decided to, put that into the actual Apex. So this one has all the washers that you need. It's gonna have some of that same haptic feedback, right? So some of those same features that you like in the Apex, this one has. We do sell this on thatdtailshop.com while supplies last for $29.99. And I'm gonna tell you guys something. When this thing goes, which we're almost out of them, we may or may not have something coming for you. Now we are gonna, so this one does ship with a 1.25 orifice, all right? And we are gonna give it an upgrade kit. So this is gonna be our silicone tubing that we throw in there. And then we're gonna also put in a 1x1 orifice in there in case somebody, just wants that extra foam, depending on their system. It's always good to get both those orifices. There's that. We also are gonna be giving them our 1600 GSM drying tile. This is twisted loop microfiber, 20 by 32, high quality. It's really good. We've never had a complaint. And we really try to do the best we can for our customers. Once again, you guys can get this on thatdtailshop.com. I think we do $23.99, but like I said, everything is buy one or buy two, get one absolutely free with no coupon code. That's for you, those of you that aren't good at math. I had to double check myself. That is like 33% off everything site-wide. That includes apparel, hats, everything we got in the complete movement. You guys can grab that. My wife's rolling her eyes. She's like, I don't think she knew about all that. Tonight, we're going to be giving away the DIY wash mitt. This looks really cool. I just thought it was nice because it matched that purple. Now, some other stuff. These products right here by Hot Wheels. Some stuff that really moved me, guys. My son and I have really been able to bond over car detailing. He's always been interested, but man, he just really is into Hot Wheels right now. And we've been out there kind of cleaning the cars and testing these products out. And let me tell you something. This all-wheel cleaner that they have is no joke. And you can follow that up with their Pro Tire Finish. So we went ahead and gave you guys a 2-pack of that right there. And then something else I thought was really interesting that we came across not too long ago. We were looking at some different certified products. And this right here is 16 fluid ounces of a product called Swipe It by AutoGuard. And it actually is Boeing certified. So it cleans, shines, and protects. And so far, we've been doing some testing. It's been a really good experience. Has a nice clean smell. They don't put any like dyes or any extra frills in these products. And that's why they're able to get it Boeing certified. There's nothing extra that you don't need. It just does its job like you hope that plane does, right? So we'll throw that thing in front of there. We got the Bruggs. We'll throw this kit right here in front. All these little things here, boom, boom. All right, and like that wasn't enough, right? And where's the foam? Oh, and then we got the foam cannon, the towel. We've got the stressor, right? We've got the fresh AF. And one more thing I wanted to throw in. This is something we tried out. We were trying to get them for the shop, and it didn't work out. So we put it through its paces, but it's just sitting, guys. And I just am trying to go through stuff. So I don't think anybody's gonna be upset to get this. If you think it's weird, throw it away, but we're gonna pay the shipping on all this stuff, and you guys are good to go. You can grab it. Anyways, this is day 2, guys. If you guys are wondering how you guys can sign up to maybe win this prize bundle, let me tell you what you got to do. Number 1, subscribe to the YouTube. All right. Number 2, I want you guys to go to thatdtailshop.com and create an account. Real easy. That's all you have to do. No purchase necessary. Okay. And the number 3 thing we would like you to do is in the comments below, tell us what you secretly asked for the holiday season. Now, I don't care what it was. just let us know, and maybe we can pass that message along, or you can, point it to that significant other and say, hey, look, it doesn't matter if it's car detailing or anything like that. Do that, And if you guys don't want to talk about the holidays or anything, I understand that's a pain point for some people. No worries. Why don't you guys give me some positive criticism or some negative criticism, some things I can work on. We're going to continue trying to grow this YouTube platform. We focused on IG last year. We already do about 260,000 between FB and TT. So I feel like we're doing good there. We focused on IG this last 6 months. So here we come for the YT, for the YouTube, all right? So this is everything, guys. You're looking at, it's in the hundreds right now. You're looking at thousands of stuff on this table. And just so you know, I ordered another $300 worth of stuff just yesterday. We've got Kosh Kimi coming, Labo Cosmetica coming, all the heavy hitters, okay? And we're gonna go around the table right now because there's been a lot of brands and people that have donated this, and there's even more stuff that we've bought with our own money. And I just wanna show you guys some of that, okay? See what is coming in your near future. We've got an entire toolkit here. We've got the ADS foam cannon. I bought that with my own money. DIY, Ivan sent that to me personally. He's a great guy. We've got some more towels from DIY. We've got some more sprayers down there. We've got these little viral sprayer window cleaners, okay? Of course, maybe tomorrow we'll give away a TDS foam cannon Apex away. We've got clay towels from TDS. Remember, buy 2, get 1 free. No exclusions. We've got 2 things from Fantix. So this right here is what they're using for rinseless wash. That's going to be a mobile sprayer, battery operated sprayer. This right here is going to be basically a scrub brush, a detail brush that's powered. Got a hat from KCX from SEMA. Okay. I did meet with those guys. I need to get that interview out soon. I think a lot of y'all be interested in that. We've even got some stuff from over the border. Yum Car Care, donated by the House of Rags. Luminous, right? I love these bottles. These are so heavy duty, man. We've got Yum Dressing. It goes on and goes on and goes on. We've got some more stuff by Squeaky Clean Auto Detailing. I love their packaging, guys. This is so cool. Anyways, I could keep talking about this stuff all day, but I'm going to try to get this video out tonight before midnight. I got to go to work in a little bit. I love you guys. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I can't wait to give this giant prize package away. Love you guys. Remember, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and sign up over at thatdtailshop.com. It's that easy. You could be a winner. Love you. TDS sleigh ride, let's go shine. The detail guy say it's all